Have you ever asked AI to do something only to get results that make you wonder if it understood you at all? Well, you're not alone. Here's the challenge. Many of us struggle with creating good prompts that will bring high quality results from AI. We waste our valuable time tweaking our words, hoping to stumble upon the magic phrase that will make AI finally understand exactly what we want. This process can leave us feeling like AI is not working or that somehow we are using it wrong. Yesterday, I spent half a day fighting with ChatGPT to get the results I was looking for, and I got tired of it. So I decided to look for the best resources and tools to help me create better prompts. And today, I'm ready to share them with you. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of AI and save hours of frustration? Let's dive into it. Let's start with the best resources I could find on the internet when it comes to examples of good prompts. I will share all the links in the description below, but for now, let's look at what we got. The first one will be the OpenAI developer platform. You can go to platformopenai.com. If you go to it and you scroll down to resources, prompt examples, you immediately see a whole list of ideas and examples of good prompts you can use. Now, these are quite basic, but still OpenAI regularly updates these. I would say if you're new to prompts, this is really a good starting place to get ideas of what you can ask ChatGPT or other AIs. The next one is Entropic. So Entropic is the company behind Claude. Also, they have a very extensive prompt library. They also categorize it in personal and business prompts. Also, these prompts are intended to use with their API. And they're again split in system prompts. So this is how you would ask the AI to behave or to reply, and the actual prompt with an example of the output. Moving on to the next resource. This is Google Cloud's Vertex AI. But also here in the documentation, you will see they have a prompt gallery with example prompts. So again, these are pretty useful if you want to get more inspiration on prompts you can use, or you can tweak these then for your own use case. Now, next to the official documentation from Claude, Google, OpenAI, you can also go to other resources. A good example would be GoDaddy. They actually created a prompt library for small businesses. You can go and consult. It gives you also explanation on how to use the library, but it's a curated library with some examples, also categorized of how to use AI. You can easily copy the prompts, try them in a chat window like this one. The next category would be community resource. The first resource I want to share is Daniel Miesler's Fabric. So Daniel created Fabric, which is a tool that allows you to interact with AI models, but you can use prompts that were curated and corrected by Daniel and his team. He calls the prompts actually patterns. So you don't need to install this tool to actually use the patterns, but you can just go to the patterns, look at what they are. So there are a couple of patterns I use a lot. For example, extract main ideas or extract wisdom. So you can actually go to the folder, go to the system command, and then you will see the prompt that he is using to get the results from AI. So you see, these are already very detailed prompts. If you're using his tool, it's really amazing, saves you a lot of time. But you can just copy and paste this information. But these are already advanced prompts, but obviously they will also give you better results. Prompt Hero is another one. This is what I would call a visual marketplace. The way Prompt Hero works is it will give you images, and if you like an image, if you like a certain style, you can actually then see the image prompt and recreate it yourself, or for Midjourney mostly. But this is also a good place to get inspiration when it comes to the more creative visual uses of AI. Prombase is another marketplace where you can look for inspiration, explore prompts. You can also sell your own prompts if you found really good prompts and then hope somebody buys it. Some of these prompts are paid, especially when it comes to images, but there are also many free prompts you can explore. These tend to be also quite detailed. So again, this is a really good resource you can use to create your own prompts or to gain. The next tool is a Chrome extension called Prompt Drive. What it does is it allows you to save your prompts. So I have it open on ChatGPT. Let's say this prompt, I liked it. I can say add this to Prompt Drive AI library. And then I can give it a title, marketing. Actually, this would be the tag, marketing, branding, consultant. So how would you use this? You would go to ChatGPT, you would click it. It would then open up your database. And from here, if you're using a lot of prompts, this is probably a better version than saving it on a Google Sheet or in a Notion file. With this tool, as it is a prompt Google Chrome extension, you can use it when you're using the tool. The last tool on my list is PromptStorm. It's a Chrome extension for all the models out. It works with ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, and I'll show you quickly how it works. And it will have this icon here on the right side. So from here, you can select any prompt you want, and it will immediately give you some ideas. You can copy the prompt, and from here, you can work it and use it also in your ChatGPT.